An experienced product designer with over a decade of experience in web applications, specializing in AI-powered products. Today, I will be presenting a potential implementation of today's technology. Before we begin, I would like to make a disclaimer. The information contained in this presentation is not working software and does not exist to the best of my understanding. It should be received and understood for educational purposes only. During this presentation, I'll be touching on the areas of AR, AI, remote work, drone technology, and my personal point of view of the next step of web development, containerless web products. That being said, let me present to you simple industrial complexity. The location is a construction site. All is normal until the product that is consistently monitoring all events integrated within the product identifies an issue within the plans set for the job site. The product is unable to resolve the issues, which triggers an autonomous action that will resolve the pain point before it has the ability to create a roadblock. On-site engineers are notified with detailed information relating to the issue. Product owners are notified within the product of the estimated delay and progress for the solution. Finally, the product builds the team of subject matter experts that will feed recommendations into the system to implement necessary on-site fixes. Touching on the next step of web-based products, we are familiar with in-browser container products, meaning the product living within the environment of the browser. However, this product would be containerless, meaning that the product will utilize the functions of browser tabbing to break, resize, and position to componentize and surface only relevant information needed in completing the objective. Here, we see a UI that allows for complete environment overlay and focus. During the initial investigation, the subject matter expert can make video calls to the on-site for greater understanding and knowledge transfer, along with deployment of the on-site drone with AR capabilities for personal review. During this entire process, the artificial neural network, or ANN, is tuning hyperparameters for future optimal performance. After completion and acceptance of the solution to the initial issue, the product simply closes and all parties resume their daily activities. The product makes recommendation updates throughout all locations of the affected issue, and on-site engineers now have a detailed fix on the initial warning notification. If you would like some additional details on this project, within the description of this video, you will find links to the overall roadmap, use case, style guide, and logo. Thank you for joining me in creating tomorrow.